Gardeners often talk and worry about colour combinations, and here is a rather unusual colour combination of two things that are absolutely at their best. This is a New Zealand Sophora, Sophora microphylla Sun King, which flowers when it has relatively few leaves still left on it. It is an evergreen, but in our climate it can easily lose its leaves, and it produces these enormous clusters of bright yellow flowers which are almost orange yellow in bud, and then they open and fade a little bit to being a paler yellow. I mean, an enormous number of flowers for what is a relatively small tree. These Sophoras need to be grown well away from any cold winds. We've lost them lower down in the garden, but we're now standing right at the top of the garden. But what I really wanted to show you was the wonderful loderi King George up close. The most beautiful scent, the most enormous flower truss, you know, pink in bud and then opening to white, simply gorgeous. And quite the best show in the garden today. But put that yellow back with it, and what a cameo, what a combination, what an extraordinary colour combination that few gardeners would ever have thought of, and I readily admit it was an accident. We put the two side by side, but just flip between the two and take a look at the two together from a little bit of a distance.